Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start our organic chemistry class. Regular class, inter first year and second year both student will get the results. Alhamdulillah. Organic chemistry. Today topics is phenol. Dear student, phenol. Phenol is a organic compound which is acidic. Okay. When benzene, one hydrogen atom is replaced by hydroxyl radical, which is called phenol. It is phenol. When one hydrogen atom, dear student, we know that benzene molecular formula C6H6. Structural formula is here. Looks like cyclohexane. It's a benzene. Okay. When one hydrogen atom is replaced by hydroxyl radical, which is known as phenol. Okay. And you know that the benzene has 6 nucleus or 6 cycle. Like phenol is the first substituent. Phenol is the first substituent. Another substituent like chlorine, we may tell chlorophenol, orthochlorophenol or chlorophenol. We may tell orthochlorophenol. Okay, just we may write more phenol, orthometa dichlorophenol. This is the third position. Third position is known as meta. Second position is known as ortho. Third position meta. Fourth position para. So it is 2 chlorine. Therefore, we may tell orthometa dichlorophenol. Orthometa dichlorophenol. Have you written? Okay. Now you may write another substituent. Orthomethylphenol. Orthomethylphenol. Or methylphenol. Basically, phenol is ortho-para indicator. Ortho and para indicator. Ortho and para indicator means the second substituent will enter into second number position and fourth number position. Now, this is happen when we applied high temperature. Okay, basically second substituent will enter into as usual second number position which is ortho and fourth number position which is para. Okay, like this compound name, this organic compound ortho-para dimethylphenol. Ortho-para dimethylphenol. Ortho-para dimethylphenol. Have you written? Okay. You may also write ortho-para meta trifluorophenol. Ortho-meta para trifluorophenol or 2,3,4 trifluorophenol. Here word when one substitute which is known as mono. Same substituent is 2, then it is known as di. 3 is known as tri. 4 is known as tetra. 5 is known as penta. Okay, dear student, have you written 2, 3, 4 trifluorophenol? Have you done? Basically, the molecular formula of phenol looks like C6H5OH. Here we may write C6H6. Just one hydrogen is replaced by hydroxyl radical, which is known as phenol. Okay, it's another name, carbyl compound. Carbyl compound or phenol, which is used to drive in the snake. So many houses, I think it is used to as a medicine. Okay, phenol is a medicinal compound. It is organic compound and which is orthopara indicator. Now we will learn phenol is acidic. Why phenol is acidic? So much important topics for you. So you have to write now phenol is acidic. Why? Why phenol is acidic? We know that according to the definition of acid, when any substance, according to the law of Arrhenius concept, when any substance releases hydrogen ion as photon in aqueous solution, which is called acid. So phenol gives hydrogen ion as a photon. Therefore, phenol is acid. Why phenol is acidic? Because phenol has ability to release hydrogen ion as photon. Therefore, phenol is acidic. Okay, you may write why phenol is acidic? Because phenol can release hydrogen ion as photon. This is phenoxide. Dear student, we know that electronegativity of oxygen is more than hydrogen. Electronegativity power of hydrogen is oxygen is more than hydrogen. That is, the bond electron will go to the oxygen. That's why oxygen becomes negatively charged, and hydrogen will release as a photon. So this compound can release hydrogen ion. That for this it is acidic. So phenol is acidic nature. Have you clear? Why phenol is acidic nature? Because phenol gives hydrogen ion. Phenol gives hydrogen ion as photon. That's why phenol is acidic. Okay, have you clear? As it is acid, so it reacts with base and produce salt and water. It is neutralization reaction. Okay, have you done? Everyone, have you done? Why phenol is acidic? Because phenol can release hydrogen ion as photon. That's why phenol is acidic. And therefore, another one, as phenol is acidic nature, so phenol reacts with base. Phenol reacts with base, like sodium hydroxide is base, alkali solution. So this hydrogen will react with hydroxyl ion and make H2O. And therefore sodium occupied this place. Sodium phenoxide, it is salt. Have you written? Therefore phenol is acidic. Now we will learn how phenol to benzene and benzene to phenol we can make. We can prepare phenol to benzene and benzene to phenol. Intertransformation between phenol to benzene and benzene to phenol. Have you done? Yes. Have you written? Okay, thank you. You may write now phenol to benzene. Okay. Distillation process when phenol reacts with zinc dust by distillation process. Finally produced, zinc reacts with oxygen. As zinc is metal, so zinc reacts with oxygen and produced zinc oxide, and rest of the compound is organic compound, which is benzene. Have you written? So phenol to benzene is prepared when phenol reacts with zinc dust in presence of distillation, which is distillation process. Okay, then zinc reacts with oxygen, produce zinc oxide. As zinc is metal and oxygen is non-metal, so it makes zinc oxide, and rest of the compound is benzene, which is aromatic compound. Have you written? Now we may learn benzene to phenol. Okay. Benzene to phenol. You may write benzene reacts with chlorine, presence of iron catalyst, and produce chlorobenzene. This process is known as Dow process. You may write Dow process. From Dow process, we may prepare benzene to phenol. Okay. Now this chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide as base, as alkali solution, then produced sodium phenoxide again plus HCl. Dear student, here is chlorine and this hydrogen make HCl and sodium phenoxide is produced. Okay. Have you written this? This sodium phenoxide is solved. This sodium phenoxide reacts with HCl again. Finally, sodium reacts with chlorine. Sodium reacts with chlorine, makes sodium chloride. And hydrogen reacts with oxygen, make phenol. So, it is very easy to make intertransformation between phenol to benzene and benzene to phenol. Have you written? Have you done? Thank you. This is Dow process, and phenol reacts with different compound. The reaction of phenol, like when phenol, different compounds you may write, different reaction you may write now, like phenol reacts with ammonia gas and produced anniline. NH2 and H2O. This is anniline. Okay? Anniline, which is base, but phenol is acidic. Because it has a longer electron, that's why it is base. And this is the main reaction, main is, but now we will learn the sidewise reaction, like chain reaction. I will become this phenol to anniline. Have you written? Dear student, we will write now phenol to cyclophenol. Phenol to anniline. Now we will learn phenol to cyclophenol. When phenol reacts with hydrogen, presence of nickel catalyst, then cyclohexanol is produced. Okay, dear student, you may write. After that, we may start the another topic. After another part, we may start just after few minutes. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.